So today I'm going to show you how to make easy armor out of craft foam, as I did on my Red Sonja costume. Costumes from my new book, Cosplaying When You're Broke. So cut 2 shoulder pieces out of some 2mm craft foam and heat that up with a heat gun. This shape is in the template as well. And then take something rounded and you want to stretch that heated piece of foam over that rounded shape, and it'll take on the shape of that rounded item so that you have nicely shaped pieces of craft foam. Now I had to cut the corners off of my craft foam, but in the template I already have them rounded, so you won't have to do this part, but I had to cut them off. And then get yourself some white school glue. I tend to buy it in the big jug. And then paint over the whole piece of foam. You want to do 3 layers like that, letting each layer dry in between, covering the entire thing in glue. And then once all the layers of glue are dry, you can draw on all the little details that you want on your armor. I'm not following anything in particular here, I just kind of put on some weird little designs, but you put them on with the puffy paint and then you let the puffy paint dry, and then it'll hold the shapes that you've painted there, of course. And once it's dry, give it a coating of metallic silver paint so it's starting to look like metal. But to age it, take some gunmetal gray and you just want to dab it on. So you load it onto a dry brush and you use very little paint. I'm actually dabbing it off of that piece of cardboard on the side, so I'm not overloading the brush. And you just dab it on, no pattern, just dab it all over the place, and it gives it kind of an aged look like that when you dab it on. So do that to both pieces, and then flip the armor over, put a little line of glue about halfway up, and stick a strip of distressed fabric onto it so it looks like leather straps. You can just tie that around your shoulder. And if you guys want to see how I made the rest of this costume, then check out my new book, Cosplaying When You're Broke, which is currently available for pre-sale. The links are in the description box.